Okay, last question in the note today. So in a triangle, the measure of the middle angle is triple the measure of the smallest angle. And the measure of the largest angle is 55. This is just a little typo. This should be, where's my little, that should be degrees. Okay, greater than the measure of the smallest angle. Find the measures of the angle. Okay, so basically let's let x represent the smallest angle. And then here it says the measure of the middle angle is triple the measure of the smallest. So that means it's 3 times the size. Okay, so and that was the middle one. So we'll do 3x is the middle. Okay, and the measure of the largest angle is 55 degrees greater than the measure of the smallest angle. So that means x plus 55, because it's 55 degrees bigger than the smallest one. And this, they said, was the largest. Okay, so now if we were to draw this out, okay, let's call this one right here x plus 55. Let's say that's our biggest one. Let's call this one our smallest one, and this one our middle, which is 3 times x. Okay, so it doesn't matter what order you put those in. I just looked for what I had the most room with. Okay, so we know that the interior of a triangle has to add up to 180 degrees. So now let's write this all out. This angle right here, we're going to have x. Okay, x. So we'll write down x plus, and that's just a 1x. Okay, and then we're going to do plus x plus 55. X plus 55. Plus our last one is 3x. Okay, so plus 3x. And we know that has to add up to 180 degrees. Okay, so now we can rewrite this without the bracket. So I'm going to have x plus 55 plus 3x equals 180. Okay, so now we are going to keep our x's on one side, and we will move this 55 over to the other side, making it a positive 55 and turning it to a negative 55. So let's rewrite this. We have x plus 3x equals 180 and now minus 55. So if we were to simplify this, x plus x is 2x plus 3 more x gives us 5 x's. And here we have 180 minus 55, which gives us 125. Now we want to solve for x, so we have to divide everything by 5 because it's multiplied by 5. So divide it by 5, and if you do it on one side, we have to do it to the other side. So I'll just put our answer in over here. Okay, so 5 divided by 5 gives us 1, so we're left with 1x. And 125 divided by 5 gives us 25. Okay, so now we know x equals 25. So this angle right here, that's easy. It's just 1x, so that is 25 degrees. Okay, our second angle over here, it's 3 times x. So now we know it's going to be 3 times 25, which gives us 75 degrees. And the last one at the top here, it's x plus 55. So now we know it's 25 plus 55. So 25 plus 55. And when you add those together, you end up with 80 degrees. Okay? And this makes sense because our smallest angle is 25. So that's our smallest one. Our middle angle is 3 times the size. So 3 times 25 is 75. And our largest one is x plus 55. So x plus 55 gives us 80, and 80 is our largest number. So that's the end for this lesson.